Today we're staying at the Novotel Living Bangkok Sukhumvit Legacy. This hotel is located about 5 minutes walk from Asok BTS station, so you are in the heart of Bangkok. This hotel is more of a family-friendly and long-stay hotel, and it offers a blend of lifestyle amenities and comfortable accommodations. It's well suited for families basically, and if you are staying here, you do have some amazing apartments, and that's what we're going to look at today. So let's check it out. The hotel is split into two buildings, and on the right-hand building is where the lobby is. Very beautiful, well-lit, modern and super friendly staff, and after a quick check-in we were off to the room. Here we are in a one-bedroom suite in the Novotel Living Legacy. This is kind of between the Sukhumvit and the Thonglor area, and as you can see, I did not book this room, I got upgraded to this room. And I'm very happy about that because it's huge. We have a big TV, as you can see, a nice big sofa area, table, desk over there. Very nice. This is just the living room. Now, if you are coming here and you're going to stay for a bit longer, many of these things are useful. I thought this was going to be a fridge, but it's not. Even cooking utensils. Okay. Well, there you go. Everything looks nice and clean. You can cook here too. Perfect. Look at this one. Now this is definitely going to be used today. And here's the fridge itself, a really big one. You're not going to be running out of space like in a normal hotel. Look at that. Very, very nice. I'd like to add that the washer-dryer combo was particularly good in this hotel. My washing was done really quickly and it was dry. Oh look, and there's a balcony. So, I'm not sure if this is a non-smoking hotel or, you know, if you're going to get in trouble for smoking out here. But I'm sure you could get away with it. It's pretty cool. I mean, not the best view in the whole world, but it's still a nice view. At least there is a view. Let's go back inside. Let's go into the bedroom. Look at this bed. Definitely looks very comfortable. I shall jump onto it just now, although jumping might not be a good idea with my weight. There's another massive TV here. Wow, this place is pretty crazy. Again, lots of storage because this is usually a place people might stay for a bit longer. And let's look at the bathroom, which is very interesting. Very big. Look at the size of this toilet. It's gigantic. Here we have the amenities, ideology, botanical hand wash. And let's go into this interesting looking wet room, I suppose you can call it. No rain shower, but it is high enough, I suppose, that it could work like a rain shower. If you're somebody who loves to be able to take the shower head out, you would have to use this. I think it's made quite nice. It looks really nice, it looks clean and fresh. That's what I would say. Everything looks clean and fresh, like white and greens and browns. Very nice. Very nice. I really like this room. Air conditioning, lights. I mean, what more can you want? Now, can you imagine what the platinum present gift is that I got today? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I've not even opened it, so I don't know what it is. But it already looks fancy. First of all, I mean, a whole bottle of Brut Excellence. I don't know if it's champagne, definitely sparkling wine. And let us see what shall be under this. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, it's like a three-piece. All right, the bottom one's empty, but still, that's very impressive. Don't mind if I do. So yeah, this is a really nice room. Basically, I would say I would be very happy to stay here for a long time or even just a short time. And yeah, I think it's really nice. So let's go see what else there is around this hotel, because it's very interesting, this hotel. It's like in different parts, and there seems to be like a swimming pool in the middle. Then I saw like some crazy Mexican wrestling like thing downstairs, like an altar. Anyway, let's go check it out. And this is what I was talking about. I was very confused, only to find out that this is actually where you eat breakfast, and it's a Mexican restaurant. I would say that Bangkok hotel breakfasts are pretty well known, probably as much as Dubai brunches, and this would be one of the smaller varieties that you might get at a hotel. Don't get me wrong, it's adequate. There's more than enough. There are lots of different fresh fruits too, but the choice is not as extensive as some other hotels. And in exchange, the rates are really good. There's also a pool, albeit a little bit small, but there are 2 different sections and it is quite fun, especially for kids. There are also restaurants nearby, a massage place, and of course some street food.
But I do have to say this hotel is amazing. From the way that the receptionist dealt with the rudest guest I've ever seen in my life, just shows how well trained they are and just how patient they are, basically, right? And I mean, the amenities, amazing. The room, I mean, what can you say? You get a suite like this, nothing to complain about. I have to say, I want to come back here because you're really close to everything. You're just close to the M Sphere mall, and like you're not far from Asok. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this hotel, especially with the staff. And I mean, to be honest, the hardware too. So I can only recommend that you come and stay here, especially if you want to stay longer. Amazing that you can, wash your clothes and stuff like that. Big fridge, and it's actually quiet here, even though you're close to all the party areas and stuff. So it's a nice little retreat. That's the end of my review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next hotel review. See you there.